Hey everybody, it's What's That Sound Wednesday. Okay, for last Wednesday's sound, nobody guessed it right. There were a couple of you that got close, but nobody got it right. So, nobody gets a shout out this week. I'm not going to tell you what the sound was because I will probably use it again later, and when I do use it later, I'll put in the description the people who got closest to it, so you can kind of guess off of that and see if maybe somebody can get it the next time I use it. But yeah, nobody got it this week. Alright, so here's your next sound. Good luck, guys. And girls, too.